Okay, so let's snappity snap one object onto another object in Blender. So I'm going to use this flat plane here, or this island, and that will give us some problems that we need to fix. So we want this here to be snapped onto this surface. So the first step is just to bring this close like that. Then we're gonna go up and turn on snapping and go to this to the right here and open up the snapping options here, and we're gonna set this to face project. We're gonna snap with center, and we're gonna align rotation to target. So face project, center, align rotation to target. And now if I go G, as you can see, this has the right rotation, but it doesn't merge into the water. So I want this to obviously sort of like blend nicely into this blue ball here. And the reason for that is this little yellow dot here called the origin point. So when you're using the snapping tool, it's going to snap from this little yellow dot. So we need to change the position of this origin point to make this blend more into this blue world. So I'm just gonna select everything besides this plane. I just hide it, and I'm going to show you a really nice trick. And remember to take off this snapping when you do other stuff, or you're going to be really confused. So this little trick here is going to be very helpful for you to know. So I'm just going to go Shift A, and I'm going to bring in a plane. I'm just going to rotate it around like that. Place it somewhere there. And now we can use this plane to move the position of the origin point. So if I just hold down Shift and right click onto this plane here, and then I select the plane that we are going to use, and go right click and set origin to 3D cursor. We can just delete this plane now, and if I click on this plane, you can see that this origin point now is way more inside of this mesh. So we nicely or successfully moved our origin point. And if I bring everything back and I go scale it in a little bit and go and turn on snapping and go G, we can see that this is now snapping into the surface, but it still has some issues. So we still have these sides here popping out. So I'm going to show you how you can fix that as well. So just click on the plane, turn off snapping, go into edit mode, and we can deselect everything. And I'm going to go Alt C here, and then we're just going to select some random vertices. Not completely random, you want to pick some vertices on the sides. So like this. This doesn't need to be exact, but something like this is good enough. And now what we can do with the proportional editing turned on is just go G and scroll the mouse wheel back like that, and you can see the effect that we just bring in the parts that we want to bring in into this blue ball here. So now I can just move my palm like that, and I have my nice island here. And if you want to learn how I did this animation, just let me know in the comment section and I will show you. And if you can subscribe and like, I would really appreciate that. Have a great day wherever you are, and peace out.